In this video, we're going to take a look at using the website Avatar Maker. First thing we're going to do is choose our gender. Then we're going to be starting off with a basic character. Now with this site, there's a ton of customization that you can do. So when I'm taking a look at my face, for my face, I can change the shape, I can change the mouth, the nose, the ears. In addition to that, I can change the color palette, and I can create a custom color as well to match whatever color I want this to be. So again, my face, I can change the shape. My mouth, I can change the mouth. What I also have down here is I can change where that is. I can change how big that is. The nose, changing the ears. If I take a look at my eyes, I can change the eye shape. I can change the iris color. Again, if I want to, I can move my eyes left and right. I can change them up and down. I can make them bigger. I can make them smaller. So with just about every single piece that I can change on my face, I can customize that as well. So tons of different things that you can do. I could also zoom in on my character. I can make them to the left or to the right. I can have their head nodding one way or the other. Change the background. I can also reset this. Click on the reset button. This will bring me back to my first palette. I could also, if I'm looking for some ideas, I can just simply hit random till maybe I find something that I like. And then from here, I can continue to customize that. So it isn't just a random image, it's going to be a random avatar that I could then continue to edit. Once I get my avatar exactly the way that I want it to look, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come down here, click on this download button, hover over it, and what I'm going to do is I want to choose the PNG 400 by 400. This is a portable network graphic. When I click on this PNG 400 by 400, my Google Drive dialog box is going to pop up, and I'm going to save that into my Google Drive.